Yes, be ready. Start. The aforesaid aspect has not at all been considered by the High Court while releasing respondent number 2 on bail. No reason whatsoever has been given by the High Court while releasing respondent number 2 on bail. When the accused person is facing the trial under sections 147, 148, 307, 302 and other offences of IPC, which can be said to be are very serious offences, the High Court ought to have given cogent reasons while releasing respondent number 2 on bail, except narrating the submissions made on behalf of the accused and the state. No further independent reason has been given by the High Court while releasing respondent number 2 on bail from the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court. It appears that it was submitted on behalf of the accused that there was a dark night, therefore it was not possible to identify the accused and the person who attacked, and it appears that without giving any cogent reason, the High Court has prima facie accepted the same. However, it is required to be noted that the accused persons were known to the complainant. There was a prior enmity. They came in a tractor. Therefore, at this stage, it could not have been concluded and opined that it was not possible to identify the accused. Be that as it may, even otherwise, the aforesaid can be said to be a defense on the part of the accused, which is required to be considered at the time of trial. In the present case, in the FIR, the injured informant complainant has specifically named the accused persons. Even in his statement recorded under section 161 of the CRPC, the informant has stood by what he has stated in the FIR. Under the circumstances when the nature of allegations and the seriousness and gravity of the offences has not at all been considered by the High Court, and no reasons whatsoever have been assigned by the High Court while releasing respondent number 2 accused on bail, the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court directing to release respondent number 2 on bail is unsustainable, and the same deserves to be quashed and set aside. In view of the above and for the reasons stated above, the present appeal succeeds. The impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court releasing respondent number 2 on bail in connection with case crime number 95 of 2021 of Police Station Falwada, District Meerut, for the offences punishable under section is hereby quashed and set aside. Now, respondent number 2 accused to surrender before the concerned jail authority forthwith. The present appeal is accordingly allowed. That thereafter respondent number 2 herein after his arrest and after his bail was rejected by the learned trial court approached the High Court by way of present bail application. By the impugned judgment and order, without considering the seriousness and gravity of the offences of the act, is distributed by court. Full stop. Over.